Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram post clear. Now, I know what it's like to make an awesome post, a photo or a video, and then you post it to Instagram and it comes out blurry or just not as high quality as you're hoping for. I'm going to walk you through steps to make it crystal clear. So the very first thing that we'll do is we'll head into our settings here. And then we will scroll down until we find camera and tap on camera. Now here is where we will edit the quality of your specific camera and what it's doing in terms of video quality or photo quality. So you can see here, record video, and I can tap on that. You want something at 4K or higher. You want to basically choose the highest quality version here so that you get a crystal clear video if that's what you're taking. On here, there is no setting for the camera to choose higher quality. On the iPhone, it just shoots at the highest quality that is available. If you're on Android, just head into the settings there and make sure those settings are set to the highest resolution. Now, after we've done that, we can head into Instagram here, and we will change the settings in Instagram to make sure it's really clear. So we're going to tap the profile icon at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right, and choose settings. And then on here, account, you'll choose account. And you can see towards the bottom there is data usage. I'm going to tap on that. Now, hidden in here is high quality uploads. So I'm going to toggle that on, and it says upload higher quality videos on cell or Wi-Fi. Additional processing time may occur. So it's hidden in the Instagram settings, but you can choose to have clearer images and videos just by toggling this on. Now, upload your favorite photos, videos, and they should be crystal clear. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.